Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create 3D product renders with KeyShots. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create 3D product renders with KeyShot, it is important to import your model. So you need to have KeyShot Studio first. So once you go and tap open your KeyShot Studio, you need to get into your account by logging in or signing up if you are a first-time user. Once this is done, KeyShot will make it simple to create a 3D product renders. You can simply import your model and drag and drop the materials. After you have done this, you can simply adjust the lighting and move the camera as well. Once you have moved the camera, you're all done. So by doing this, you can simply create 3D product renders with your KeyShot. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.